Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Enwongo Henry. If today is the first time you're watching my channel, please remember to subscribe. The content will be very educative and informative. Secondly, if you are a regular visitor to my channel, I want to say thank you for tuning in once again. You are one of the reasons why I am still here, doing the best I can to bring you knowledge and information in the best simple and possible way. Today we will be talking about the best time frame to trade Boom 500. The best time frame to trade Boom 500. Are you a trader of boom and crash market volatility steps? I'm too sure this video will make a whole lot of difference in your trading career. So if you know that you're as anxious as I am, my heart is beating fast, okay? Then stay tuned as we go straight to what we have to do today. Meanwhile, grab your pen and your paper to jot down a whole lot of stuff that we will discuss here. Alright, okay, as usual, I always have a little jotting for each of my videos. So today we'll be talking about best time frame for trading Boom 500. Of course, you know that Boom 500 is one of the tradable assets in synthetic indices offered by derive.com, and Boom 500 has its own peculiar characteristics. For better knowledge and information as regards this particular tradable asset, you can visit Motivation Africa to read about it. That is a blog I publish most of my writings, or you can visit my YouTube channel. I have done quite a number of videos, for example, how to trade boom and crash with a small lot size and understanding price action strategy for boom and crash markets. It talks a whole lot about Boom 500. But for today, let's look at what we have here. To know the best time frame for trading Boom 500, you must know just two things. Just two. The first one is the kind of trader you are, and the second one is what the time frame combinations that is peculiar to a particular trader. In trading, we have a whole lot of different kinds of traders. We have long-term investors, position traders, swing traders, day or intraday traders, and then we have scalpers. And each of these guys focus on different time frames. Different time frames. If you're gonna be a successful Boom 500 trader, I want you to ask yourself this question: what kind of a trader am I? If you have the answer, that makes the job quite easy. But if you don't have an answer, the next video I will make on understanding different kinds of traders in the boom and crash market will be a great lot of help to you, so watch out for it. Meanwhile, let's get to our charts and do justice to it. Okay, so this is a Boom 500 chart, and the time frame here we are considering is a daily time frame. Is on a 24-hour. I'm using the trading view, the binary.com. So if you don't have a system, you can get a PC and then you can log into TradingView, the binary.com. Just log into TradingView implementation, it will lead you to the page. However, this may not really be workable if you're using a small mobile device to analyze the charts this way. Meanwhile, let's go back to what we are here for. Let me squeeze the chart so that we can observe. This chart shows the beginning and the end of Boom 500, the beginning and the end. And if you observe, the market gave us a little range here, and then gave us it down, and then Boom 500 has been on what, a massive downtrend since its inception. And a whole lot of people might be wondering, what kind of trader do they need to be successful? The answer is very simple. If you look at this chart, the oldest Boom 500 has given us so far. Boom 500 started on August, the month of August, in the year 2019. So it doesn't really have so much information for you to be a long-term investor, because the market is just barely 2 years old. But if you're going to be a position trader, then this market is actually for you: position trading, swing trading, day trading, and scalping. So what time frame will suit you? Number one, it depends on you. Okay, let's just say, for example, if you are a day trader, and from our notes we know that day traders and intraday traders start the analysis on what? Daily, and break it down to H4 and break it down to what? H1, or they begin with H4, break it down to M30, and H1 and break it down to M30. That's gonna make a whole lot of difference, because from our daily chart you can observe. Okay, let's look at like today's chart. Let's break it down to 4-hour time frame. Let's look at what the market has been doing, so that we can have a good understanding of the best time frame for you to trade in 500. Okay, the market started by giving us what? A structural what? Highs and lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then it dropped. So where are we actually looking at the market dropping to? We are looking at it dropping to this price down here that we can see. It's dropping to that price, and once that happens, is that the market is going to come down to that what? Support zone. And when that happens, we are expecting the market to either break the trend or continue on the downward trend that it is. So for somebody that is what? For somebody that is a day trader, the person should what? Have taken this market on what? A short, because the market is giving him what? A downtrend structure. And when you understand that what a day trader looks for is quite different from what a scalper looks for, it makes it different for you to know the time frame that suits your personality. It makes you make good trading decisions. It helps you make different kinds of trading targets that is peculiar to each type of trader. So do not compete, do not compare, avoid that trap. No matter who is making who, just focus on who you are and focus on what you can make out of the market. Consistency and consistency and consistency is the key to success in this market. As you have come to know that there are different kinds of traders and different kinds of traders in the market, just zero your mind to discover the kind of trader that you are. And if you don't know, then the next video will solve that problem for you. Meanwhile, thank you for watching the channel, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Do not forget to also click the like button, click the video, drop your comment. I will attend to all of them. Thank you so much. See you again.